Hello, and thank you for joining me for Ask Gardener Lynn. Gardening can be a bit tricky sometimes, and just a little bit of help can turn a troubled garden around. So let's keep those gardens on track. So our question today comes from Gregory. His question is, I can't find the Happy Frog fruit and flower fertilizer that you recommend. What can I use for a substitute? You know, this is a really great question, and I do get this one a lot. So you might have to mix your own fertilizer. So here's the 4 things that I look for in a fertilizer for my garden, or what I would mix together to use in the garden. So number 1, it must be organic, preferably registered with OMRI, which is Organic Material Reviews Institute, or some other certifying body. Okay, number 2, it must contain nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium in a ratio similar to 4:9:5. So I like a little lower on the nitrogen and a little higher on the potassium and the phosphorus. For the plants to fruit, the formula needs to be a little higher on the potassium and phosphorus side. So high nitrogen just makes a lot of pretty green leaves. Also, I like to use my compost in the garden, which is slightly higher on the nitrogen side. So I like to balance it with a fertilizer that is higher in phosphorus and potassium. Number 3, it must have trace minerals. Either trace minerals are in the fertilizer mix, or I buy them separately and add them to the fertilizer. Green sand is a nice trace mineral fertilizer that you can look for. Number 4, it must have mycorrhizal fungi in it, or I will buy it separately and add it. So the mycorrhizal fungi, they form a relationship with the plants, and they help the plant to get more nutrients. So your garden should be inoculated with the mycorrhizal fungi every year. So when I went to search out all 4 things for my garden, the Happy Frog fruit and flower fertilizer, it met all the criteria. So either mix your own, or you can find a fertilizer that has all 4 things. So you want to observe the plants, and they will tell you if they like the fertilizer that you're applying. And if you use several different items, just use them according to the package instructions. So just read the instructions and apply them as they suggest. If you have a garden question that you would like answered, please click on the link below this video and submit your question. And if you'd like to learn more about high-performance gardening and want to see us grow a whole season of vegetables week by week for 33 weeks, then sign up for the High Performance Garden Show. So in the show, we follow a high-performance garden from seed to putting it to bed at the end of the season. This is the best insider's look you can get to watch everything we do in the vegetable garden week after week, all season long. We're even going to show you a professional trellising system for your garden. So the show, it's free, it's online, and you could watch it anytime. So you want to go to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show to sign up, or you can click on the link below the video. So I want to thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more high-performance gardening information. And you can go ahead and submit your garden questions so you can get the answers that you need. And until next time, may your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.